Hi dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting a very important topic of mathematics, algebra basics. Do not worry if algebra looks difficult. In this video, I will explain everything step by step in very easy words. So let's begin. So our first question is, what is algebra? Algebra is a part of mathematics where we use letters and numbers together. These letters are used to represent unknown values. For example, we have 2 plus x is equal to 5. Here x is a letter. We do not know its value yet. So algebra helps us to find the value of x. Now you may ask, why do we study algebra? We study algebra because it helps to find us unknown values. Number 2, it improves our logical thinking. Number 3, used in daily life. Number 4, base of higher mathematics. So if you want to be strong in math, algebra is very important. Let's understand a new term, constant. A constant is a value that never changes. It always remains the same. For example, 5, minus 3 and 10. These are examples of constants. No matter what happens, these values stay fixed. So remember, constant will equal to fixed value. Now let's talk about variables. A variable is a letter that represents a number, but unlike constants, its value can change. Common variables are x, y, a. For example, x can be 2 today and x will 5 tomorrow. That's why it is called a variable. Next topic is algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a combination of numbers, letters and operations. For example, 3x, x plus 7, 5y plus 2. These are not equations because there is no equal sign. They are just expressions. Now let's understand like and unlike terms. Like terms have the same variable and the same power. For example, 2x and 5x. But unlike terms have different variables or powers. For example, 2x and 3y, 2x and 3y, and x are x square. Remember this rule carefully, it is very important. Now let's talk about simplifying expressions. When we simplify expressions, we combine like terms only. For example, 2x plus 3x, that will be equal to 5x. But we cannot add unlike terms. For example, 2x plus 3y cannot be simplified. Today we learned the basic of algebra, constants, variables, expressions, and unlike terms. In the next video, we will learn operations on algebra. If you like this video, like the video, subscribe the channel for more lessons. Thank you for watching and goodbye.